Didn't work. Don't put all your eggs in one basket to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, trying to get the chick to hop, but of course it didn't work when I wanted it to. Today we're talking about the idiom and the expression, don't put all your eggs in one basket. I know we've talked about it before, but it's pretty appropriate with what we're working on for our mental well-being, mental goals for this year's annual challenge, to make sure that we aren't only having one strategy, one plan, one course of action available to us. We're talking about strategies and plans when it comes to goal setting in the challenge day. This year's challenge is Get Your Goals Annual Challenge. So we're talking about goals every day, a different faceted, different area of goal setting, but we're going through a process, a 7-step process every month with respect to different areas and aspects of our life. So this month we're focusing on mental well-being, mental health, things like that. Thoughts, anything mindset related to that. This idiom actually comes from Don Quixote, which makes it really fun. It first appeared in Spanish and Italian before it was translated into English and used pretty commonly. I guarantee I've told my kids this before. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't only have one friend. Don't only have one activity that you ever do or one interest. Make sure that you have some diverse interests. And I think the same applies to growing and building and supersizing our businesses. We want to, but there's a balance, like everything else, right? We have to figure out what is the right mix of focus and specificity and specialization versus not being flexible in terms of decision making, paths. All of us got a big dose of the importance of being flexible, creative, open-minded during the COVID pandemic. And if you didn't learn anything else from that experience, I hope that you learned that it's up to us to focus on solutions, figure it out. We have to figure it out. That's what business owners and entrepreneurs do. We focus on solutions and we figure things out, and then we implement those solutions. Do they always work? Of course not, but we're willing to move forward and try different things until we figure out what does work. So I actually love this expression. I think it's a great reminder to have multiple ways of doing things, multiple ways of getting a result, but knowing what the result is that we want. I like to coach people on this is the result we want, and from that we work backwards to determine how we get there. And different people will take different paths to get the same result or a similar result, and that's how it should be. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom and expression. Share in the comments below, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with another idiom, business related idiom. Might not be business related to begin with, but I'll find a way to twist it and make it so. All right, have a great day.